Welcome. In today's video, you'll learn how to remove yourself from a delegated role on X, formerly known as Twitter, using the PC version of the app. If you've been added to someone's account as a delegate but no longer want that access, this quick walkthrough will show you how to step away safely and easily. First, open the X app on your computer and make sure you're signed into the account where your delegated access exists. Once you're on the main screen, look toward the left-hand panel and click on the More icon. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From there, choose Settings and Privacy. Inside that section, go to Security and Account Access. This is where all of your account's safety, permissions, and connected access settings are managed. Take a moment to verify that you're in the correct menu before moving forward. Next, click on Delegate. Here, you'll find two main options. One for accounts you've delegated to others, and another labeled Accounts Delegated to You. Select Accounts Delegated to You. This section lists every account that has given you delegation privileges. Now, choose the account you'd like to remove yourself from. Once you've selected it, you'll see the option to Leave Account. Click on it. The app will ask you to confirm your choice to ensure you're intentionally removing yourself. Go ahead and click Leave one more time to finalize. That's it. You've successfully removed yourself from the delegated role. From this point on, you'll no longer have access to that account's management tools or posting permissions. It's a great way to clean up any old connections or end collaborations that no longer require your oversight. And if you ever need to rejoin or manage another account in the future, you can always be added back as a delegate through the same menu. Now you know exactly how to handle your delegated access on X with confidence and clarity. Thanks for watching.